This is a game changer. Oh baby. Yeah, I need a proper tidy up. Ugh. Ooh. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Okay, let's make some space in here. Oh, this is a nice little package, isn't it? Let's have a look. I've got some filler rod as well. Is it called filler rod? I guess it'd be filler rod. Yeah, TIG filler rod. Woo! So the plan here is for me to practice, well, for me to learn how to weld. So effectively, I can do all the aluminium stuff I need to do on that, all the boost lines, intercooler stuff, all the conversion stuff that I need to do on that, especially like tanks to AN fittings. And it's just getting way too complex. Keep dropping it off to different welders and having to wait 2 weeks when I need to just crack on. I'm never ever gonna get the car to where I want it to be. So once I'm good with Ali, I guess, I then have to learn sort of carbon steel welding, because I need to then obviously get the car prepped and converted for the Quattro. So let's have a look what's in here. So there's this part. Guess that goes in the machine. This will go on the workpiece. What's funny is this all has official names, right? I guess that would be me earthing the piece, right? But I'm terrible at this. I have no idea about anything, and that's why we're doing this. Because if I can actually learn to be a welder, so can you. Okay, that's a plug. I know what that is. Now that from back in the day painting, I know that's a regulator. I'm going to have to learn what's what, because I have absolutely no idea. Yeah, looks like a little face, doesn't it? Looks like a sort of Futurama robot, right? That's that, that's a plug, a regulator. Oh, now we're talking. Right, so this is the business end, this is the gun, right? Here we are. Now I need to learn all this. So that to me looks like a gas feed. That'll be our electrical control, some description. Oh, it feels like a nice bit of kit. Little ball joint there. Oh, cut myself in that. So I guess you've got to. I have absolutely no idea. No idea, boys. But that's the whole point. You've got to start somewhere. You've got to learn, right? And I need to learn these skills. So you're going to learn these skills with me. Ooh, very nice. See, Artec bring the goods. I'm going to need them. Hopefully they're throwing a few beers in here as well, because I have a feeling I'm going to need them. Get this little kit as well. Very nice. So these are our ceramic ends, I guess. That's the bit that holds the tungsten for the tip. Everyone loves a nice tip. And these seem like compression sleeves for, I guess, the different thickness tungsten rod. I don't even know if I'm using the right terms. I assume that's tungsten. TIG. Makes sense, doesn't it? What else have we got here? Oh, okay. Okay. Got a hose.
Got hole in different area code.
So I guess that'll probably go from maybe regulator to bottle, or I don't know. This will be another. Oh, that'll be the earth then. That'll earth the piece. So the other one will be the positive, that earth. Who knows? We're gonna watch some videos. Oh, yeah, we need a manual. All right. Oh, look at all that. Right, okay, so it's pre-programmed. So you've got material thickness, you've got your types, the filler size to use, different joint type, tungsten thickness. This is some cool shit. I'm sure it's all on their website. What I found from looking at Artex stuff, so the laminated, it feels like a laminated, means you can have a few beers and spill them on that, that'd be alright. Nice. So what I found from researching welders online is Artex stuff, they seem to be unbelievably helpful. It's like they don't want to just sell you a welder and you sort of guess. They want to sell you a welder and actually help you become a welder. And that to me is massively important because I am the world's worst welder. In fact, I've never even picked up a TIG welder before. I've done a bit of MIG back at college when I did my mechanical apprenticeship, etc, etc. But since then, oh, here we go. Look at this bad boy. The old wah-wah pedal. Now I've heard these are really important. Wow, wow, wow. Apparently this is how you taper in the amps, taper out the amps. Honestly couldn't tell you, but we will know. SSC controls code. So it's good. Nice bit of kit. Again, electrical stuff. Nice. So strong. Let's get some specs, 'cause I'm terrible at all this. So this is the TIG-170. It says you right there. So I think that means 170 amps. And when I was speaking with the guys, they said that can do me up to 5mm alley plate, which is going to be way more than I ever need on that old pig. And they said something about preheating it if I need to go thicker. I guess we learn. Who knows? Look at this bad boy. Look at all that, all that. Oh baby! Oh, okay, there you go, look. Gas out there. Positive, negative, control, I guess that's for the pedal. And more buttons that I don't know what to do with. I'm actually going to read the manual. And then I have to set this up. Oh, Jesus. Got a wire plug. Oh, guys, send help. Nice. So there we have it. The Artex 170. Bad boy. Right, it's again got a little breaker on it. Gonna need that. Right. This would be the time when I actually do some YouTubing. They say you need 10,000 hours to be a master at something, right? Sounds to me like I need some practice. So this is going to basically be coupled with some drive shafts there. There's a prop. There we go for a O2M box there with transfer. There's a Haldex Gen 1 rear end. There's a Mark 1 Focus RS. And if you look at it, the engine's obviously a transaxle, or transversely mounted transaxle. So O2M instead of the MTX75. Transfer box out the back, move the exhaust. 4-wheel drive. Yes, please.